All right, let's go, everybody. 6:14 here on this Monday evening, and a nice day has been shaking out through the afternoon. A little bit of sunshine showing up in the Grand Rapids area at this point. The more clouds around this morning. That was the expectation. These high and mid-level clouds that would be around, tending to dim that sun, but no rainfall really, though there were a couple sprinkles this past overnight. And winds a little bit on the breezy side here at 21 miles per hour. Yeah, sustained in Grand Rapids. So it is brisk, but that southeasterly trajectory, as we've been mentioning, that's the reason why it's as warm, if not even warmer, along the lakeshore. So there's no lake influence with those communities along the waterline today. And in fact, even warmer there because the surge of warmth with this next system coming in from the southwest. Call it 61 in GR at 7 o'clock, just slowly dropping back this evening locally, 58 and 55 respectively, 9 and 11 o'clock, partly cloudy skies. Again, just these high level clouds around. I think there will be a fair amount of sun though between now and sundown near 8:30 at this point. Warmth blasts in full throttle on Tuesday, getting to 80 degrees. Some spots down along I-94, including Kalamazoo and Battle Creek, certainly could get to 81, 82, something like that. But it doesn't last long because the cold front in association with this system slowly starts to work in through Wednesday and Thursday. That brings some scattered shower potential there. And then cooler late week. Yes, Thursday, Friday could be relegated to the 50s again. But the warming trend commences yet again, and we could be pushing mid-70s potentially by Sunday. That's some great news. A record territory on Tuesday, well, approaching record territory. 85 the record in GR, looking for a high of 80 degrees. And again, could be warmer than that down to the south. These are the current readings on the board. Pretty interesting here. 48 in Big Rapids, 73 in Benton Harbor, and 78 in Chicago O'Hare. That is the northeastern periphery of all the warmth right atop Chi-Town, and that will be rolling in here for tomorrow. So 78s will be pretty common around here and even higher, I think, by day's end on Tuesday. A southeast wind at about 15 to 20 plus miles per hour, gusting even higher at times. That's typically the case, folks. When you go from one air mass to the next, you've got to change it via winds usually, and that's what we're seeing for today, and we will tomorrow as well, except not southeast tomorrow, out of the southwest. So a little bit of an influence along the water tomorrow for those communities, but the air mass so warm that you folks will make it well into the 70s, I do believe, as well. Upper level pattern, I'll put this in motion. Big ridge of high pressure working in out ahead of this system. Now notice these colors, these greens starting to work a little bit closer towards us as we get into Wednesday afternoon. That's a cold front dropping southward across the region, dragging down deeper green colors and eventually even some blues for Thursday into Friday. So high temperatures will be back down into the 50s, but that area of cooler weather starts to ride on out of here. Here comes another surge of warmth just in time, I think, for Sunday. So it could be rising back into the 70s, all the cool air back into Canada. And look at this roller coaster ride from 80 tomorrow down to 55 degrees on Friday, and then rising again into the 70s Sunday and Monday. Live radar did show a few sprinkles out there, a lot of that not reaching the ground. So I don't think anybody really getting anything this afternoon. Maybe you did up towards Big Rapids, but the majority of us pretty dry at this point. And all this warm air being housed just to the south of this warm front. It rolls in tomorrow, but here's that front I'm talking about. It collapses through the Midwest, brings us our next shot for some rain on Wednesday. Watch the model unfold. Here we are at 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. These areas of low pressure, I mean, they may as well not be there initially because they're not doing much for us. Just some rainfall off to the north, but a new little low pressure system will ride northward through Illinois later Wednesday into Thursday. I think Wednesday morning some showers, but the afternoon probably drier. It's Thursday. We've got the best shot for rain around here. Derek and Janice goes cooler momentarily on Friday, but looking real nice by early next week.
It is lots of sunshine. Yeah. Thanks so much, Anthony.